Hi viewers, welcome to your very own YouTube channel, Smart Videos. Today I will guide you how you can verify Matric and Intermediate result of Lahore board online. First of all, open Google and write BISE Lahore. Click the first link. This is the official website of Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education, Lahore. I will also share the website link in the video description. Now click on Online Results. A new window will open. You will have two options. First one is Matric and second one is Intermediate. Click on Matric, then write the roll number, and then select the exam type. I am selecting Part 1 Annual and then select the year. Click on View Results. The website will open the official transcript of the candidate. This is the proof that the result is authentic. Now let's try checking the intermediate result. Select Intermediate from the options and then write and select the other details. Click on View Results. Here we go, the official result of the Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education. You can download this result or can take a screenshot for the record purpose. The end. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.